Today we're back with another brand that I've talked about quite a few times here on the channel, and in my opinion, it is one of the top 3 safest brands to blind buy from if you're looking for a new fragrance. This is ARMAF. Now, again, we've talked about them quite a few times. They have some amazing fragrances and make one of my favorite dupes of Baccarat Rouge, which I've never smelled the original, so that is my favorite so far of what I've smelled of it. But this is going to be Toffee Coffee. Okay, I love a coffee scented fragrance. I don't know, like I've had toffee stuff, but I can't really like tell you what the scent or what the taste of a toffee is. So we're gonna just see what this smells like. The notes in here are absolutely insane. It is a handful, everything but the kitchen sink. Let me pull all my stuff up. I'm so excited. Let's dive in. You know, real quick, why not just expand our brains together, okay? We got the definition of what toffee is, so just to refresh your memory too, if you forgot, let's just say we forgot, right? Toffee is a rich, buttery candy made from boiling sugar and butter together until wait, that's worded really weird. Rich, buttery candy made from boiling sugar and butter. Oh, from boiling sugar and butter together. Okay, it's really early right now. Until it reaches the hard crack stage. Okay, I hope nobody reaches the hard crack stage. Creating a hard, brittle, golden brown confection with a deep caramelized flavor that can range from crunchy to chewy as it warms in your mouth. Oh my gosh. Often made with a white sugar and sometimes nuts or chocolate, it's a popular treat in England and America, known as butter crunch in the US and differing from caramel by its higher temperature and fat content. Okay. Last thing before we do get into the notes, there are some reviews on here that sound really good. It says, somebody said smells exactly the same as Sticky Dates from Lush. I've never smelled Sticky Dates. I know people love it. I've heard a few people really don't like it, but I want to try it. I've never really tried any Lush fragrances, if I'm honest with you. But then somebody else said in the opening, it smells exactly like Amore Cafe. I've never smelled that fragrance either, so if you have, you know, they say this is a budget option. I have no idea. Couldn't be the judge there. But then another one, hold on, last one. Um, it smells like a morning coffee with cream and vanilla syrup. Every morning, as y'all know, I'm trying those 40 different flavors of coffee. So, whoops. So yeah, love my coffee. Very excited. Let's get into the notes. Now, the notes in here, right here, hold on, wait. Okay. Coffee, dulce de leche, honey, saffron, bergamot, toffee, lactones, okay, oak moss, white blossom, Bulgarian rose. Not sure why there's floral fragrances, floral notes in a coffee perfume. Okay. Sugar cane, vanilla, amber, white musk, and woody notes. Everything but the kitchen sink, I told you. Okay, let's get into this. Let's get her open. Hopefully it's going to be good. Now, it also, if you've never looked at Fragrantica before, they have like a voting thing. Look, it's like a voting thing right there. And so people can put like how the longevity is and how the projection is of a fragrance. And the longevity, people are saying, is very long lasting. And then the projection is strong. Okay, so we're gonna stay tuned for that. It's cute. It's cute. I mean, it's not the cutest one we've seen. It looks a little crazy. I don't know. I feel like this could have been a little better. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? I think it's because it's cut out. I don't like it. Like they could have had like the drips just painted on there, you know, or like had like a little raised part. I'm just being picky. I love when they do really cute bottles, okay? I just do. Okay, let me shut up now and get onto the fragrance. And also, if this is not good, stay tuned for a recommendation, which I'm also gonna still give you a recommendation anyways, because that's just how I am, okay? All right, let's get, ooh, chunky sprays, big sprays. We like it. Okay, all right. Oh, it is coffee. It is sweet a little bit. But it's changing. Let's let this dry down. Now again, fragrance is very subjective. No two noses are going to be smelling the same thing. But this to me, I don't really get a vanilla syrup. There is, I'm guessing from the toffee note of it, that it's like a buttery sweetness that almost smells like a dessert candy, you know what I mean? Like a toffee would be, like a, you know, a sweet candy, I guess you could say. I don't know what you would really call that. Candy, but Yeah, it's like it's buttery. It does have that like toffee scent. Like it's like you've smelled it before, right? I can't really like distinctly smell something and be like, that's toffee, but I have smelled this before. I know I have. So, yeah, it's like buttery, it's coffee scented. I don't know. There's like a warmth of or spice behind it as well, but it's a little bit creamy, a little bit soft, a little bit buttery. I don't know. It's different. It's a good coffee fragrance, I will say. This one has layers. It is still changing on my wrist the more it dries down. It's starting to become like a buttery, mapley coffee. I don't know. It's different and it still has that like light warmth, light spice to it, but it's not one of those spices that like, tingles or burns your nose or smells like cologne or anything. I'd gotta give her like an 8 out of 10. This is, in my opinion, more of like a winter fragrance. It has like that buttery warmth to it that just like warms you up a little bit. I don't know. In my opinion, those are like more wintertime fragrances. It's not bad though. If you like a coffee, a buttery coffee, she's good. Again, 8 out of 10. And the projection, I would say like, I don't know. I'm not going to say it's strong like they were saying. It's a nice little air bubble around you for sure, but it's not filling up a room. It is no Camera by Lattafa. That is a strong fragrance, baby. Now, a recommendation. This is more of a cologne right here, but oh my God, I'm telling you, anybody could wear it, in my opinion. Anybody can wear anything. I sit here and wear perfumes. Okay, I hate a cologne, but this is like a creamy mandarin orange. It is so smooth and creamy and orangey, but it's not like, I don't know, it's not like a strong citrus. It's more smooth and creamy with like that mandarin orange to it. And it has like the cologne scent, but it's not like your generic cologne scent. It's like, I don't know, it has that little bit of spice to it. I don't know, it's so good. Highly recommend if you need a gift for your mans on Valentine's Day. Yes. Last recommendation from them is going to be Club de Nuit Untold. Now, this is still from ARMAF, the last one that I just showed you with that orange top or whatever. That's from the same line as the Toffee one we just talked about, which is the Odyssey line. This is the Club de Nuit line, Untold. This is the Baccarat dupe. Again, I've never smelled original Baccarat Rouge, so I don't know how close this is to what it smells like, but out of all of the Baccarat dupes and inspirations that I have smelled, this has been my favorite. It is a little bit sweet. It's got that, saffron spice to it, but not super spicy. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So hot. Definitely a unisex fragrance, but this one does lean a little bit more sweeter than the other ones that I've smelled. As far as this goes, it's good, but it's probably not something that I would see myself wearing all the time enough for me to want to keep it, in my opinion. So I will be adding this to the giveaway pile, which, you guys, we are going to be doing another giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. So if you are somebody that watches my videos but have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Welcome to the family. Come join the family, okay? You get to get giveaways, which is really amazing. I love giving back to you guys because, I mean, I'm able to sit here and do this because of you. So thank you so much. I'm here for you. Other than that, I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. And again, subscribe. Bye.